Good morning, welcome to Planet Mojo. Today I'm going to put in a floor drain for the concrete floor in our addition here. The floor out here, you can see it's down. It's going to be one step down, 7 inches from the floor inside the house, which is going to bring it right in here somewhere. So the drain has to go about a foot out, and we have a pass through in the wall over here. See if I can show you that. Right there. I got to knock some of that slag out of the hole, and I got to get right through that hole. And then over on this side you can see our frost protected shallow foundation. The foam goes down and then out 2 feet around the perimeter of the house. You can see it over there too. So I'll have to chip a little bit out of this side as well. And then, I don't know, maybe bring the pipe over yay far. It's going to connect with this 2-inch pipe, which is our gray water pipe. They'll connect right down here underground somewhere, and then eventually run to daylight. It's going to be pretty far back that way, but I really can't get to that right now, so I'm just going to stub this one off. I'm going to let it go long, put a cap on the end, and let it rest, or I'll mark it somehow so I can get back to it. And then when that one, all those fittings are loose, so when I run the permanent line, I'll have a pipe down there to connect to. We have sustained 15 to 20 mile an hour winds today with gusts to 30-35. So it's just a really windy day. I guess it's a good day to get this done, but I have to get it done today because they're going to fill this tomorrow. In the previous video you probably seen them dump that last load of gravel, so I better get going. Most of this is going to be shoveling, at least to start, so I gotta go grab a shovel. They left a chalk line here, so I'll use that to get my level line across. And this is it says it's a 3 or 2. Oh, I guess the 2-inch pipe goes right into, no it doesn't. Well, it said it was a 3 or 2, but I guess not. But I got an adapter anyways. So I'll just glue that in, and then I got to figure my pitch, all that cool stuff. But I got a good amount of digging to do, so I better get at it. concrete guy said it was best to have the drain about 3/4 of an inch down, so that's about what it is. It's at a slight bevel. Then we have a sink that's going to be a utility sink that'll go in here at a later date. And then right here will be a utility cabinet, so you can fill your bucket in the deep sink or wash your hands after being out in the dirtiness. Mops and buckets and cleaning supplies and all that stuff over here. And then there will be a small coat closet on this side. So it'll be pretty nice out here. And then two 15 panel, I think that's what they are, 15 panel doors, you know, a bunch of windows. And then 5 windows. And then the back is getting another extension as soon as we can. But that'll be framed out for 2 doors, kind of like this. Windows in them now, but at some point they will turn to doors. So tomorrow they will be coming and filling this in, and I don't know if they're going to pour tomorrow. I don't think so, but I think they're going to at least backfill, because our house could become undermined if we don't get it backfilled, at least right here on both sides right away. So they're going to at least do that. So someday in the not too distant future, now I can run that pipe underground, the gray water pipe, connect it to this and run it to daylight. I got to get out of this wind. We have steady 25-mile-an-hour winds right now, and it's gusting to 35. I mean, I was walking across the street getting stuff, and it caught me off guard and wanted to knock me over. Okay, I'm really late for picking up my daughter. She's over at a friend's house waiting for me, so I better wrap this up. So if you want to see the rest of this stuff, just a ton going on this summer. I'll be taking the greenhouse down in the not too distant future, and a slab will be going there, and I'll be building a temporary shop. So if you want to see that stuff, make sure you subscribe. Click on the update icon so you're notified when we post new videos. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.